Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So this is just a continuation of our whole house transformation, and now I'm at my bedroom. This is a shoe rack that I'm making here, and as you can see the skeleton, I've already shown you the skeleton when it was not painted, and now it's painted black, and now I'm going to be doing the final touches. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, commenting on them and liking them, and mostly sharing them. We are grateful. Also, if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome in our channel. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to like, commenting and sharing. So in this channel we do DIYs video, transformation videos and many more makeovers videos. You can just visit our channel and watch the other videos that we have already uploaded in our video. And I just want to tell you, this is a continuation of our whole house transformation. I'm done with the balcony. If you haven't watched the balcony transformation, kindly visit our channel and check the video out. Now I'm just transforming the bedroom, and this is part 2 of the transformation for the bedroom. I'm going to be doing a part 2 and a part 3, and then I will finally show you the whole transformation, bedroom transformation. Then after that I'll be jumping to my sitting room, whereby I'll also be doing a whole sitting room makeover. And I hope you'll enjoy this journey with me, because I'm so excited doing these videos. I'm so excited transforming my house. I want it to be a very luxurious house for me for some time before I think of moving out. But for now I just want to enjoy it. I transform everything, give you ideas, educate you on some things, yeah, and we get to learn something as we go by. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel, make sure that you have hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more.